In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rejoin a Discord server you left. If you've left a Discord server and now want to get back in, the most important thing to know is that leaving a server is treated as a permanent action. That means Discord does not give you a built-in undo button or a simple one-click option to rejoin on your own after you leave. To get back into that server, you'll need a new invite link or invite code. This is the only reliable way to rejoin. So if you were hoping to find the server still sitting somewhere in your account history or a restore option inside Discord settings, that usually won't be available after you've left. The next step is to contact someone connected to that server who can help you get a fresh invite. The best people to reach out to are the server owner, a moderator, or even a mutual member who is still inside the server and has permission to create invite links. In many communities, moderators are the quickest option because they often manage access and invitations regularly. When you contact them, keep your message simple and polite. Just let them know that you previously left the server and would like to rejoin, and ask whether they can send you a new invite. If the server has any entry rules, verification steps, or restrictions on who can join, be prepared to follow those again when you come back. It's also helpful to remember that some servers use temporary or expiring invite links. So if you have an old invite saved somewhere, it may no longer work. That's another reason a fresh invite is usually necessary. If one person's invite doesn't work, ask for a newly generated one just to make sure it hasn't expired or been disabled. Once you receive that new invite link or code, you can use it to join the server again. Just open the invite and follow the prompt to enter the server. After that, you should be back in, assuming the invite is active and the server is still accepting new or returning members. So to recap, rejoining a Discord server you left requires a brand new invite. Since leaving is permanent, there's no automatic reversal inside Discord itself. Your best option is to reach out to a moderator, the server owner, or a mutual member and ask them to generate a fresh invite for you. And that's how to rejoin a Discord server you left.